In this video, I'm going to teach you how to alt-tab a game without minimizing. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This works for any game you have, and as long as you follow through the steps I'm going to show you in this video, you will be able to alt-tab without minimizing any game. I'm going to demonstrate this by using Terraria. As you can see, I'm currently on windowed mode, and if I try to alt-tab, you will notice that the background on the Terraria window still keeps playing, which means that the game isn't minimized. As you can see, the sun is going around the Terraria logo and going to the right side of the screen, so the game is still running. Now, if you go into the settings of your game and you make it full screen, you will notice that as soon as you go into full screen and you try to alt-tab, as you may notice, the game just minimized. You can open up the game again, and as you noticed, it was paused, which means that if you alt-tab while you are playing on full screen, the game is going to minimize. What you have to do to alt-tab without minimizing is to turn on borderless windowed mode. As you can see, I've went ahead and I went back to windowed mode with borderless windowed mode enabled, and now I can alt-tab, and as you may notice, the moon is going around, the sun is going to come back up, which means the game is not paused and not minimized. I hope I was able to help you on how to alt-tab without minimizing your game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.